Hey guys, welcome back to BlueWhaleCrypto. Today in this video we will talk about Bitcoin, we will talk about some of the altcoins, the key levels that we need to make sure in order to generate a huge sum of profit. I'll also provide you a free signal, so make sure to watch this video till the end, okay? And if you haven't subscribed the channel by now, do make sure to subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and as well as share this video with your friends and family so that we can all make a huge sum of profit, okay? So let's get into it. First of all, we will talk about Bitcoin as usual, and we've been talking about this chart for a very long time, right? Now this chart has performed pretty well. The one-day time frame trend line that I mentioned you from the previous video has already broken. That I told you it has already broken. That was this point, and from that point itself, it has rose pretty well. And now if we watch out that this is the resistance cluster that is being broken, and after breaking out this resistance cluster, what we can expect from BTC is to rise high from this level. As there is, I also have mentioned you before, I don't believe there is going to be much of a resistance in this level. So many people are still bearish inside the market. Many are thinking 20,000, 23,000 going to act as a resistance. Many had made a short inside the market yesterday, but we were not shorting it. I was expecting this move a little early. We can also watch out that the pattern has clearly broken out. Today is the 36th day. So yes, we eventually broken out from the Bitcoin channel pattern, which was a bear flag actually, and many people inside the market were bearish. Still the market is very bearish. Many people are still thinking the bearish perspective. But what if the most of the people inside the market are thinking is going to happen? Then the exchanges would not going to be able to make money. It's just going to be retailers who's going to make money. It's not going to be the whales. It's not going to be the institution. It's not going to be the exchanges who's going to make the money. So this kind of move, I was expecting it, and surely it had worked out pretty well. So what could be the next move? We also going to talk about that as well in this video. All right, so let me take you here. So possibly I have informed this setup to my premium family, and if you get a chance nearly to this level, that could be $22,400 to $22,900 would be a good area to look for a long position. Yes, this is going to be very risky entry, as BTC had already surged very high. And once we break out from this level, if this trend line which has been broken, then if this trend line is being broken by any point, then we can see a down retest to the lower levels. So we need to be optimist, and we need to understand crypto is not something that if any certain breakout has been done, it's going to go through the way it is. We can see a lot of manipulation before going through the real move of the market. So I'll try to make it real quick. Let's go ahead with the next one, that is Ethereum. Ethereum has also broken out from the major downtrend trend line. So if this trend line is acting as a support, look, previously in the last video I informed you $1,402 was the area. If that brokens out, we will look for a long, right? And you can see that after that it has worked out pretty well. Okay, so this area has also worked out pretty well for us. Directly you can say that it's going to be 15% profit, and that's pretty well in just for the spot. Okay, coming up with the next, that's going to be Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance, I previously informed you in the last video that yes, we can see a good support at this area. If you haven't watched my yesterday's video, do make sure to watch it so that you can get information and you can learn something out of this market. Okay, you can also trade by yourself, and you can generate huge sum of profit on daily basis. So this is Bitcoin dominance. Previously Bitcoin dominance was been falling, and on the other hand Ethereum was going pretty well. So now when the Bitcoin dominance made a rise, I saw that the Bitcoin is also rising, but the altcoins were on the sideways. So right now maybe what we can expect is there could be a the first resistance level for the Bitcoin dominance could be this level, and the next one would be here. Okay, so if we rise from this level, what we are supposed to do is we need to consider Bitcoin to be the major role. Bitcoin is only going to make a major role in over here. So depending on that, I have taken the long position inside the Bitcoin, and with a very nominal stop loss. If there is any changes, I'll surely gonna let you know, guys. Coming up with the next that I will talk about is DOT. I shared the signal with my premium family, as well as I shared the signal with you guys in my videos many times when it was here. So it was a very good opportunity to grab it. I informed you about it, and once it broke out, we took the entry inside the DOT. It's a 4-hourly time frame. If you see it just in the hourly basis, it had already given us 1,000 to 1,100% profit, guys. So this is an immense amount of profit that the premium family and my Telegram members are making it. If you haven't subscribed my Telegram channel, by now you're missing huge sum of profit. So make sure to go in my description, get inside my Telegram so that you can also make huge sums. Okay. Next one is KNC. This is also a premium signal, and that is also working out pretty well. Gave us 500 to 550% profit. Next one that I'm looking at right now to provide to my premium family, and as well as you guys who is watching this video. So probably XTZ had already broken out from the downtrend, and you can see that previously this channel pattern had worked out as a bear flag. Now this one is acting as a bullish one. If we break out from this level that we have already, so what could be the possible entry for the XTZ? So I'll mark it out for you guys. Okay, with a very nominal stop loss, you can keep a nominal stop loss here. Okay, and the targets can be up to here. All right, so this could be a very good setup for the XTZ. I'm looking for a retest. If not, then you can buy some at the current market price and rest at the retest. Make sure these all setups are going to remain very high risk, but I also let you know why I'm a little bit bullish right now, and why the stock market, crypto market, any other market can be good, or could be a good bullish momentum inside the market for the upcoming days. I'll let you know right now. Okay, let me just provide you the last signal that I provided yesterday in my Telegram channel for the sheep. It's nearly to the entry point, but still it's giving me 100% profit because I did a little bit of DCA over here. DCA is dollar cost averaging. So I believe many Ethereum whales had bought it. So yes, we can expect a good rise inside the Ethereum, as it's an inverse head and shoulder pattern, which is a bullish pattern. Okay, so let me just also show you some of the results from the previous. The Dash had given us 250% profit. The BTC, I informed you that after $22,900, if that's broken, once we get a confirmation on a 4-hourly time frame in the previous video, this is the result for you guys. Okay, BNB was also given out to you guys for as a free signal. 550% profit, 524% profit, great profit. BTC also gave out almost 300% profit. So this is, guys, if you are inside the Blue Whale, you are never going to be making any losses. This is the power of Blue Whale. Let me get you back on charts and why I'm thinking that we can see a good rise inside the crypto market in coming days. So this is the reason why I'm a little bit of bullish. This is SPX index, SPX 500 index, and what you can see over here is it had broken out the descending channel. Okay, I've been providing information about the SPX index in the previous videos as well, and so you can see that it has already broken out from the descending channel. What this indicates is that we have already made a local bottom for now, and if the SPX index keeps on rising, we can see the same, because crypto market, stock market are correlated with the SPX index. Okay, so my bias gonna remain a little bit bullish. I'll still gonna be optimist, but you can see that The charts are working pretty well. The charts are breaking out. The sentiments are turning pretty bullish. So we need to understand the trend of the market. And if we gonna be understanding the trend of the market, we're gonna make a huge sum. Okay. So this was all about in today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, like the video, share it with your friends. Bye bye.